In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Thrustmaster steering wheel not turning on. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to power on your Thrustmaster steering wheel and it isn't working, then follow these instructions and you will be able to troubleshoot your issue. So, assuming that this isn't a critical hardware failure, what you can do is first do some basic checks. Ensure that the outlet that you are using is properly suited and that it is working. So if you have another outlet nearby, I highly recommend swapping it out. This will let you know if the problem was indeed attributed to the outlet itself. So the most fundamental step is to ensure that this specific power outlet is working. Carefully inspect the Thrustmaster power adapter for any signs of damage. So if you notice that the cable is damaged, cut, and such, then it could be a problem attributed to the cable. You can find replacements available, but the main point is that you need to make sure that the cable and the power outlet are both good to go. If possible, you can try using a different compatible power adapter to rule out that possibility as well. So inspect the cable, the outlet, and the power adapter itself. Next, ensure that the USB connectivity is also good to go. So the same steps as with the power outlet. Double check the USB connection, look at the cable, and swap out the USB port that you are using to get this connection done. If it still does not work, something that you can try to do after you connect the steering wheel to USB port is to use the Thrustmaster control panel and update the firmware. So visit the official Thrustmaster website, look for your specific model, in this example here the T150, you will be able to go to its page and click the option to download the PC drivers and the firmware. You can find the firmware update available here if you need additional instructions, but all that you have to do is run this executable file under drivers, and after that is done, open the Thrustmaster control panel. You should be able to find your steering wheel here, and if you go over to Properties or Advanced, you can find the Check for Update option. This will update it and make sure that it is usable. You can also open the firmware update if you wish to do this process manually. But the point is, by updating the firmware, it can help resolve these glitches related to it not working. But if it isn't powering on at all, even after you change the outlets, you change the cable and the USB port, and you try to update the firmware, it could be a hardware-related issue. In that case, I would only recommend trying to do this yourself if you are comfortable opening it up and checking the internals of the steering wheel. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Thrustmaster steering wheel not turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.